Hey YouTube, another unboxing. The CXD Beatle. I don't think this one is licensed, but it does look very detailed. This is not one of the pre-releases for the YouTubers because my channel isn't big enough for that yet. So this I've paid for, and this will be actually what you get if you order one. The box art looks quite nice. Let's see what's rattling around in the box, shall we? See if I manage to open the right end or even the right way up this time. Almost. So, batteries, single cell. Accessories are underneath. And looks like we've got some screws and some cable ties. That's the back released. Yeah, floating rear axle like the Type 1 bus or Type 2, I can't remember which one that is. Quite nicely detailed. This is removable, this top panel. Battery goes under there. Let's see what the controller requires. Yeah. Phillips screw. I can't remember what kind of batteries this takes. So, couple of double A's. Convenient now, I've got a couple spare. Of course, obviously all the off-camera stuff looks amazing on YouTube. Sorry about that. Now it's got a nice silent motor again. Yeah, it's actually got reasonably decent control. It's obviously not a crawler or anything. It's just a sort of nice detailed model that you can play with as well. Actually, I mean, I just imagine it'll do some kind of almost light trail stuff, but it's not going to be climbing over any obstacles or anything. Only rear wheel drive, as it should be. Right, let's get the accessories on in the typical YouTube style, and I'll be right back with you. So, boom! So yeah, that's all back together now. There's a little instruction book, which maybe I should have read before assembling it, but I think I've got there. I do unfortunately seem to be missing the little handle that goes on the front edge of the bonnet, so hopefully it'll turn up somewhere, but I'm sure CXD will send me out another one if I can't find it. Yeah, so let's sort of bring you down a little bit and have a slightly closer look. So scale wise, kind of almost works against the B36, but it's definitely scale wise the correct kind of scale between the Beatle and the bus, I reckon. Adjust the camera a little bit. Trouble is, I can't actually zoom out. So, oh, I love the details on that thing. I wonder how many of these will be turned into a Herbie replica. But I've got the right control. We have brake lights on it. Happily no indicators. This is basically silent when running. I mean, steering's a little noisy, but be nice if a lot of crawlers were that quiet rather than a sort of the whines from the motors. I'll if it doesn't rain here in a second, I'll have a quick go on the patio so you can see it driving around. But yeah, so sort of, I think the detail looks quite nice on it. Very similar to the bus underneath. I think it might be the same, exactly the same rear axle. Very similar chassis. Yeah. And apparently the roof pops off. Am I brave enough? Yep, there we go. So got some kind of interior. I don't suppose the interiors on these would have been that detailed anyway in real life. But you could get in there to get a little figure in there maybe or something. question is, will I be able to get the roof back on? Yes, happy days. So yeah, that's the new Beatle. I'll have a little bit of run footage on the patio, and we'll take that from there. Okay guys, so yeah, I've had a little play and one thing and another. Unfortunately there wasn't any audio because the neighbours were having a moan at their kids and so on. But yeah, it's a nice, it's a fun little drive. It kind of leans and stuff how you'd expect it to. Picks up dog hair how you'd expect it to. Yeah, it's a fun little drive. Be a nice little model to have in the collection and maybe take out now and again just for a little bit of something different. Of course, I've done the standard of not charging the battery for the review, so we'll get some more longer run footage at some point in the future. But I mean, for the price point, it's about the same as 2 mils at McDonald's. So the way it drives now, it's actually quite scale. Yeah, I quite like it. It's a little something different for the collection, and yeah, let me know what you think of it, sort of your thoughts. Yeah, if you could like and subscribe. Nearly at the magic 500 subscribers now, which is on the way to getting monetised and stuff, which should always be good for the channel, more models and so on. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a very good day, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.